Already precious minerals and marketing na kwame nkromate and as a kano. Now share adwuma o maya say ansa na obi ebekwa se okoto diamond. Wona obema ne license. Ansa na obi kwa se oto gold. Wona obema ne license.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi, aka Sammy Miami, has received a juicy appointment from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the first gentleman of the Republic of Ghana. And many people are not surprised because we all know the work Sammy Gyamfi has done for NDC going into the election. In fact, throughout the opposition crowd, Sammy Gyamfi was born in Modimpa. Now, this is the communication from the presidency and his race. Sammy Gyamfi appointed acting MD of PMMC, tasked with establishing the Gold Board, the Ghana Gold Board. President John Dramani Mahama has appointed Mr. Sammy Gyamfi Esquire as the acting managing director of the Precious Minerals Marketing Company. In that role, Mr. Gyamfi will be responsible for setting up the Ghana Gold Board, one of the key promises of the NDC 2024 manifesto. The establishment of the Ghana Gold Board will be under the direction of the Minister of Finance. The Gold Board is one of the top priorities of Mahama's administration, aimed at economic revitalization, and shall, among other things, be responsible for the sustainable management and marketing of the country's gold resources for the benefit of the Ghanaian people. It will include formalizing the small-scale gold mining sector and providing money support services for the industry. Mr. Sammy Gyamfi is a lawyer and economic policy analyst with BSc in Environmental Science and a Bachelor of Law from KNUST. He holds Barrister at Law certificates from Ghana School of Law. So that is it. Now this has got a lot of people commenting. Number one, Sammy Gyamfi, lawyer, is being sent to the ministry, the company, or the public company that Joseph Yamin sent his hooligans to go and seize gold at. Yes. You remember after the election, there was an issue that Joseph Yamin had mobilized boys and has gone somewhere to go and seize gold, and there were chaos there. They had to send the gold to Accra Regional Police Command. And yes, sir. That very company that was attacked by NDC hooligans led by Joseph Yamin is a place they have appointed Sammy Gyamfi. Now that is a very, very, very juicy company. Maybe you think that just something like that. Do you know what they do? Anybody that wants to go and buy gold, diamond, and the others, you need a license from Sammy Gyamfi's company, where he's going to. Now you know that before you even come forward and say you want to go and buy gold and diamond, you say you to your day pa.
And marketing na kwame nkromate and as a kano. Now share adwuma o maya say ansa na obi ebekwa se okoto diamond. Wona obema ne license. Ansa na obi kwa se oto gold. Wona obema ne license. Na gold na nkasa yetu o Ghana ha nyina no. Omo na test ase yes no. Omo na beka se gold we eye papa enye papa. Na karat we ne wom.
Wow.
Na omo wi a export no so omo ne omo na se gold e de be ko akọ. Nti na no we omo ka na ya ye loadu gold gu mu a ya mi mo so omo
so ko chibu airport na
gold bus na ya hyehyɛ ne ma ye ko test na e wi a ye de ko nti ba bia wo hye no we no a golden opportunity.
Papa and obi so obe na dwen say opeso beto gold na oba be pay license no. Ono no wo ye bobia wa wiata so dada. Sika gu ho dada. Na only sika so me koto gold.
Gold ni ye sika na obi oni sika to
gold.
Enti no no ye world industry players are more gold mineral business no better say Ghana say na You go.
Wanu ankasa wa ye adwuma.
Wa ye adwuma.
Wa ye
so far 34 years. Mfie aduasa.
Akwa
na abra wo start na chese 27 na wo tete omusa no nyame ahia no na akase obetimi adi wo ye nyina ye party activities. Afe na oman no ankasa ye di baabi ahya wonsa. Ye be hwe licensing regime. Said ye licensing beko. Edu baabi na nipa bebre wo krom obi etu galamse obi etu gold no. Afe na ye be hwe kwan ya ye be use gold no e dey back your currency no. Afe na ye di bi beko central bank wona ye dey support your currency. Ye be hu gold ho mfaso se ye hu se ye tu diamond gold na ho mfaso ni a.
Na se ba bi e dey kotu ye no. Ben ya wa ben na dwene how brilliant he is no. Afe na national in ebe testing.
Ocean the first tent with minerals and mining exton cubic. Or ye juma momo kakra. Exton cubic Ibrahim Mahama. Campaign na
So we are going to see. So we are going to closely monitor, among other things, the NABA. You see, the issuance of even a certificate to go and mine and all those things. PMMC has a say in it. Sammy Gyamfi's company. Now, when you go and mine, it is Sammy Gyamfi's company that's going to weigh the gold and say that this is the purity of your gold. You say this is maybe 18 karat gold, 16 karat gold, and all. All those are going to be done by Sammy Gyamfi's company. And then the Ghana Cocoa Board, Ghana Gold Board that His Excellency Mahama has promised, all under the Ministry of Finance. Now, for the purpose of education, somebody will ask, why is it that all these appointments are acting? If you want to know, it is because the substantive ministers for the various ministries are not yet in power, are not yet in position. Mostly, it takes the minister and then some agencies that constitute the board to approve. So when the board is fully constituted, then they will approve that, okay, you were acting, now you are substantive. So that is why for now it is acting positions. Now, will Sammy Gyamfi be able to make any impact at all at the PMMC? This is the opportunity given to him. We have heard him use all manner of words on Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, His Excellency, when he was vice president. Clueless government, useless government, shameless government, incompetent government. He has used all these words. Sammy Gyamfi. He never spared the words. Sammy Gyamfi had an explanation for every shock that our economy suffered. Even when they were international, Sammy Gyamfi said no. Bawumia was the reason. Now, Sammy Gyamfi gets the opportunity at 35 years old to head to one of the most critical companies for our republic, our gold. Because there are few things that drive the Ghanaian economy. Gold is one, oil and gas is another, agric is part. So the gold for oil and all those things, Sammy Gyamfi's company has a part to play. We've heard of many and various instances where gold was smuggled out of this nation. And we know that this country is not getting the real value of the gold that is being extracted. Yes, there is much more that we can get than what we have now. So this is where we are going to see if Sammy Gyamfi is competent or not. Now, this is a catch. People are raising eyebrows about this appointment. Reason being that prior to this very position, there has only been one place where we know that Sammy Gyamfi has ever worked at. I think it's Escobic or Exobic or one of the names, and it was a mining company. That mining company allegedly belongs to somebody who is close to the current president, John Dramani Mahama. I'll leave you to guess his name, but he's very, very close, like a relative to John Dramani Mahama. That was the same company that they sold the entire bauxite of the Republic of Ghana to. Before MPP came to power and said, no way, we cannot allow one individual just like that to come and take the whole mineral bauxite deposit of Ghana. And then MPP reversed it. Sammy Gyamfi was part of that company. And now he has come to PMMC. So we are coming to see if there is going to be any change there. And I say, it's coming to work for the nation. All these things are things that we have to guess for now until Sammy Gyamfi resumes office, and then let's see the years ahead of us if he's going to deliver or not. But this is a critical crossroad for the career of Sammy Gyamfi, because if he fails at PMMC, hey, Ghana will be too small for Sammy Gyamfi, because all the noise he has made, he will be reminded of them. So we wish Sammy Gyamfi well. Youthful guy, energetic man, one that is a colossus in the NDC and that many people look up to. Let's see if he does the job that has been given to him judiciously, or let's see if power gets into his head, because power is very, very slippery. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.